Hey everyone! In this video, we will explore how to use the AI-powered Visual Compare feature and how it helps in detecting UI changes. Imagine you're working on an application, and this is how the visual interface looks. Now, in the next build, this is how the interface looks like. Let's see how our tool can detect these changes effectively. Start by opening the Testbook tool and navigating to Record. Click on New to create a new test suite. Go ahead and assign a name to the test suite and click Record. You'll notice the several side features here. Now click on the AI-powered Visual Compare feature to start capturing visual elements. If the UI changes are part of a larger workflow, simply continue through your process. As you proceed, the tool is actively capturing each visual element. Once you've completed, tap here to stop recording. Save your test suite, and you're all set for playback. During playback, you will observe that our AI-powered visual tool will detect the content, color, font, size, and alignment changes with the existing screen. As the report summary appears, click here to view the detailed summary of the changes detected. Open the test case, and you will be able to visually compare the changes between the two builds by simply clicking the icon. This is how the AI-powered Visual Compare feature helps you effortlessly spot differences between builds and manage UI changes. Try it now and see how easily you can identify UI updates.